Hello folks, just a quick one, just to show you our experimental solar setup. As you know, we're off to the Isle of Man and going to be off grid for around a month. We've previously fitted the diesel heater, as you've seen in the other video. If not, I'll put a link in there. So max speeding rods, diesel heaters covering heating requirements, should we need them. And then the EcoFlow Delta 2 and its extra battery are hooked up to the 250 watt solar panel on the roof and then wired in to the electric hookup, courtesy of my electrician friend who has installed the switch to switch between either the power banks or hookup. So, fingers crossed, it's going to work. But we'll see. Nothing's been given to us. It's all paid for by ourselves. So it's going to be a fair test, and over the month we'll see how it fares. And at the moment you can just see we're getting 209 watts in from the solar, and we're putting out 193 to run the motorhome. So 22 hours on the actual Delta 2 from EcoFlow and 18 hours left on the expansion battery. Obviously it's not going to be constantly like that. We're going to have days where we don't get a lot of solar, but we're also going to get times where we're not using that much electric. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll keep you informed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.